Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find session settings on your account on Xtwitter, easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click settings and privacy, now click security and account session and account access, and here you'll find the apps and sessions. Click on it, and here as you see you'll find session settings, and that's it. Here you can manage it, your session settings. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.